So we're at the Anzacs manufacturing facility here in Portland, Oregon. Here in the Pacific Northwest, we have a really big and vibrant arts community. And in this factory, we're creating a handmade tile. And it's a really exciting place where we get to create something that gets to be in people's house, that you get to experience, work with, and have be a part of all of your daily routines. We have about 40 employees here in the factory. We have a lot of individuals who are into ceramics in their personal lives. So when you put this up, you have a story that's more than just the one you experience in your kitchen, your bathroom, your living space. You have the story of all of those different people who went into making that tile.